Hi, today I'll show you how to turn on Do Not Disturb mode on Motorola Moto G5S. Let's unlock our phone and let's open settings. Then let's tap on sound, Do Not Disturb, and let's tap on priority only allows. There we can choose who can send messages to us, no one, anyone, contacts only, or start contacts only. The same with calls. Repeat callers. If the same person calls a second time within a 15 minutes period, allow it. It means that if the same person calls you a second time within 15 minutes, you will hear the actually ringtone, so you can turn it on. Reminder, events, you can change everything. Automatic rules. Let's add a rule, time rule. Weekend. Oh, we actually. Oh yeah, we can delete this. Weekend. Days. Let's choose only Sunday and Saturday. Done. From 10 to 7. Do not disturb. Right. And let's turn it on. Block visual disturbances. You can actually turn it also on. And when everything is ready, you can just open the upper bar and press Do Not Disturb until you turn this off. You can also change the total silence, alarms only, all priority only, and done. To turn it off, just press once again. That's all. Press like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.